Good morning. Welcome to this review session for Introduction to Programming with Python. This is intended for people who are placed in the Introduction to Programming with Python course, but who would like to attempt to take the exemption exam on August 8th to exempt from that course. This is also intended for people placed into the Intermediate Programming with Python course or the data-focused Python course who would like to review material and make sure that they're well prepared for those two courses. My name is John Ostlund. I'll be your professor for this material. Welcome to my basement office at my house. I'm hiding from the virus, as many people are. I hope you are well and safe. My office has this kind of awful fluorescent lighting, so I hope you are not blinded by the glare off the top of my head. All of the course materials for this course are posted on Canvas. The video lectures are posted on YouTube so that you have more flexibility about which devices you watch those lecture videos on. The syllabus describes the content of the course and the proposed schedule for the course. We have a compressed time period between now and August 7th will be the last day of this course, and the exemption exam is going to be on August 8th. Of course, this is an optional course. You're not required to do the course at all. You're not required to take the exemption exam. You can do the course at whatever pace you like, but I suggest trying to stick to the schedule as described in the syllabus if you're serious about covering all of the material and being successful on the exemption exam. We will have 7 weeks worth of lectures. There are 4 lectures for each week. Now, ordinarily, of course, a week is 7 days, but in our compressed world here, we're suggesting that you consider 6 days to be a week in order to get through all of the stuff in time. We will be posting homework on a weekly basis, and I like to ask people to work on homework with 1 or 2 partners. My recommendation is that each person work on the homework themselves first and try to finish the homework as much as you possibly can. Then compare what you have done with 1 or 2 partners' work to make decisions about what changes you ought to make in order to have a well-completed homework assignment. The homework will be reviewed by a TA. It will be scored, but of course there are no grades and there's no credit for this course. The score is just to give you an indication of how well you did. There will also be labs, brief labs, allowing you to test your knowledge of various things discussed during the lecture videos. We will also have, at the end of each series of 4 lecture videos, each week's worth of lecture videos, some self-quizzes posted on Canvas that you can use to make sure that you know everything that you're supposed to know. I'm available more or less all the time. I don't mean I'm sitting at my computer for 90 hours a week, but I do start checking email by around 9 in the morning, and I continue checking email up until around 9 or 10 o'clock at night, 7 days a week. So please feel free to contact me by email with any questions that you have, any suggestions that you have, any comments that you have, and I should be able to respond to you pretty quickly. Every so often I'll be gone for a few hours during the day, so there may be a period of time here or there that I don't respond as quickly as I normally do, but I do try to respond to people very quickly, and I'm very happy to have you contact me. If you would like to set up a Zoom session with me to ask me questions or to review material and take a look at some more examples, I'm also very happy to do that. Again, please contact me by email and we will set up a time. All right, so I believe I've covered everything that I wanted to in this little welcome video. Please, as I said, feel free to contact me at any time about anything. Have a look at the syllabus. Have a look at the announcements that I will post on a periodic basis. And good luck, and welcome to Carnegie Mellon.